Here we go, guys. I got a 42-inch 2025 Torro. Used it about 8 times last year. See, everything's out, battery's charged, and all we're getting out of it is that there, and it was clicking before. So I thought it was a solenoid, thought it was a battery, nothing. Gonna take this top cover off and see if the starter's engaged up, and that's what's causing it. Alright guys, so I pulled off 6 of these 10mm screws, pulled this cover back, and what it was is my starter was stuck in the up position. So now that I got those off, got that loose, now she's firing again. So that's all it was. Hope this helps somebody else out, because it was a nightmare. I tried changing battery, tried changing solenoid. As simple as taking this cover loose, and basically that tooth from the starter was up and stuck inside here in one of the gears. So pop that down and boom, she's firing.